Hello, what's up trader? Today, the Bitcoin market went back and forth on Tuesday as we continue to see negativity when the market needs to take a bit a breath. That's what we saw on Tuesday as markets don't go in the same direction forever. At this point, it's likely that we will see rallies sold into, as Bitcoin is nothing short of dead money. Even if we do get a nasty rally, it's going to be very difficult for Bitcoin to break above the $30,000 level. Speaking of the $30,000 level, the 50-day EMA is sitting that area and drifting lower. We have yet to see real-life use case for Bitcoin, although there have been a few examples here and there. It just hasn't seen the widespread adoption that people would need to get involved then to make Bitcoin worth anything. Yes, I recognize that Bitcoin has been beat up rather high, but I look at it as a speculative instrument, simply digits on a computer that I can trade back and forth. That's not me trading Bitcoin because I feel the same way about foreign currency markets. On the other hand, if we do break down below the bottom of the candlestick for Tuesday, that means that we will see even more negativity and Bitcoin will attack the $20,000 level. I fully anticipate this happening sooner or later, and for that matter, I believe that we'll break through it. At this point, I have a price target of $12,000 and there is not much on the longer term charts that suggest we could not to get down to that area. As far as buying is concerned, the best case scenario I can think of is that we fall rather hard, do nothing for several months or years and start accumulating again like we did last time Bitcoin fell apart. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for future Bitcoin and stock market predictions. See you next time.